Hi, everyone. My name is Jack Huang from RosterElf. I hope you are having a brilliant day. Today, I will show you how to link a missing site so every location shows up in Payroll. This keeps your payroll records accurate and up to date. How to open the payroll settings. Click Settings. This takes you straight to your system preferences where Payroll lives. Select Payroll from the drop-down menu. You will now see every payroll-related option in one place. How to add the missing site. Click the plus symbol to add a site. Think of it as opening a new door for the site to join Payroll. Choose the correct site from the list. Selecting the right name ensures hours and wages land in the proper location. Click Save to confirm. The new site is locked in and ready for payroll calculations. How to confirm the link. Look for the site in your payroll locations list. Its appearance here means the link worked perfectly. Repeat these steps for any other sites that are still missing. A quick loop through the process keeps everything neat and complete. Thanks for watching. If you need a hand, our support team is always happy to help. Happy rostering, and have an amazing day.